Now we are looking at the topic of mensuration. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deals with measurement of that deals with deals with measurement of geometric figures. So we'll start first length. We are seeing the concepts related to the mensuration. So first is length. Length, what is length? It's a size of the line. So size of the line is its length. So we generally say the line length of the line segment. So what we say, this is the line, and if we have this part starting with point A to point B, the length of this or size of this segment we call is length of this segment, and we length of segment AB, we use this notation as length. And there are units to measure length, units of measurement of length. So 1 kilometer is equals to, there is a kilometer, and 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 yard equals to 3 feet. We are just looking at the units and their related conversions. 1 foot equals to 12 inches. Next is, in this part is curves. So what are curves? Any geometrical plane figure formed by lines straight or curved in a plane is known as curve or plane curve. So any geometrical plane figure formed by lines. So this is important, formed by lines. So if we draw this is a curve, but with it has straight lines. This is a curve, but it has some circular parts. So any geometrical plane figure formed by lines straight or curved in a plane. So currently our plane is this canvas of the Microsoft Paint, and this any geometrical figure formed by lines in a plane is a curve or plane curve. Now regions. Circular region. So part of the plane enclosed by the circle and its interior. each circular region. Means what? We'll draw first the figure. So this is a circle, and now the part of the plane enclosed by circle and its interior. So first this is interior, and still the circle means the boundary of the circle. So part of the plane, this black canvas enclosed by interior of the circle and this boundary of the circle, which is also known as circumference of the circle. So we can say that circumference of the circle which is known, we taken as previously, which is we considered as a circle, circumference of the circle with its interior is known as circular region. Now consider a triangle. So we have considered here a triangle A, B, C. So consider a triangle ABC formed by three line segments. What are these? AB, BC and CA. So the part enclosed by interior of triangle along with triangle, that is boundary of the triangle, is known as triangular region. So it is known as triangular region. So the part of the triangle enclosed by interior of the triangle and the triangle itself, that is boundary of the triangle, both including both, it is known as triangular region. Now we are heading towards perimeter. We have seen this before. Perimeter. So what is perimeter? The length of the boundary of a closed figure. Closed is important. Closed figure is known as perimeter. So if we draw a shape like this, say this and this, and we start from, let's say this is the starting point S. So let's consider this figure. If we start from point S and move along the line segment to reach again at the same point S by making a complete round. Then the long distance covered is equal to the length of the wire we used, or the wire we used to draw. This distance of closed figure is a perimeter. So consider we used a wire to draw this figure, and we started with point S and move along the figure this way to draw this particular pattern. I'm just showing the path here. So if we then unfold this wire like this, so the distance, so that length, that wire actually represent the distance covered to draw that figure. So that distance or the length of that wire represents the distance covered by that shape, and this distance is a perimeter. Outer side distance is a perimeter.